My name is Nick, and I'm the CEO of Abington Smile Center Dental Office and Shark Dental Academy School of Dental Assisting, located in Abington, PA. Today I want to share my personal experience working with Josh and GMAX. We started working over 2 years ago, and it was related to the dental assisting school. We had an idea of opening the dental assisting school. He helped us throughout the whole process, through every step of the process, from filing our first application, fixing the mistakes of that application, and then also going to the board meetings and then getting that approval. He also gave us the first bunch of the students, and after that we signed a contract for marketing of the school with him, which has been going great. We're able to get anywhere from 4 to 8 new students every 8 weeks. We start a new class every 8 weeks. That's been going on for over a year already. Also, about 7 months ago, we started working on the dental side of the business, which was also great. We went from 150 new patients every month to over 200 new patients every month. Not only that, he's able to give us specific types of patients. For example, we wanted emergency patients or implant patients, Invisalign, or sleep apnea. He was able to deliver a good mix with those patients in it as well. He also helped me hire a new dentist, a specialist for my practice. He was able to put the practice up for sale and explain to me the pricing structure, because that was the first time that I had to do this. Anytime I have a problem or a question regarding the dental business or the dental assisting school, I go to him. I text him, I call him, he's always available. He goes above and beyond to try to help me. If he doesn't know the answer, he'll try to get more information on that and get back to me. Very reliable, very honest, and always available, which is very important for me. He also trained my front desk. He called every front desk and he spent time with them on the phone. He did secret shopping. He called them, listened to the conversations, and then got back to me with important points on how to handle the first caller better, how to handle the reschedules or cancellations. Now they're much better trained. We're getting compliments, we're getting more patients, we are getting more patients during the first call, which also thanks to Josh and his training. He's been pretty much very helpful with every aspect of the dental office, and whenever I need help, I go to him. I recommend that you work with Josh if you own a dental practice, or if you own a dental assisting school, or if you're just thinking about opening one. Josh will help you avoid all types of mistakes that you could run into. Really helpful, really knowledgeable guy, and I recommend you work with him.